Well, hi everybody. This is Artist King back with another video. It is now 2022 and I hope that you guys are enjoying the new videos that I have been putting out. Like I said before, I really like the fact that I've gone back to trying to do portraits, and what I'm doing here is trying to perfect my technique, I hope. So I try to make it as close as I can to the picture on your left. It's a work in progress, so I'm just happy to be doing this again, because this is really like more of my happy place than all the other types of art that I've been doing. So anyway, I choose what I do. I try to copy them in black and white. I think it gives me a better feel for how to put them in after I trace the outline. Since I've been doing this, it's really helping me to improve my technique. So I am grateful for that. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking today. I'm just, like I said, trying to get better at this. So I am inviting you to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you like the direction the channel is going in, please leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about these little changes I've made. I will still do some of the other things I used to do in the past from time to time. Whenever I get something that I feel I really like how it looks, I will still do my collage or my mixed media, things like that. But for 2022, my main focus is going to be these pencil drawings. So I really hope you enjoy them. So anyway, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share if you care, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers, the ones who've been with me from jump. I am grateful to you guys, even the people who just watch the videos and don't subscribe. I'm grateful to you guys also for tuning in and supporting my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Don't turn it off yet. Wait till you see the end product. And I will see you guys next time on my next video. Okay? All right. Well, bye now. Thank you.